There are different kinds of bedpans. So the first one I'm going to show you is a regular bedpan. The handle goes this way. So you want to make sure that the taller part is facing the feet. Some people make the mistake of turning it the other way. So you want to make sure, again, taller part facing the feet, and it's going to go this way. And the patient's going to sit over here. The second type of bedpan is a fracture pan. So the fracture pan looks like this. Some elderly patients prefer it, or if there's a patient from surgery, it might be easier for them to sit on this one. So again, the taller part is going to face towards the feet, so you don't want to invert it the wrong way. So you'll make sure to put it this way, and this is the handle. So those are the different types of bedpans.